In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always appear active on Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into how you can maintain that active status on Slack, even when you're not actually sitting at your desk. This is particularly handy for folks who want to stay engaged or simply avoid getting pinged about their availability. First, let's get into Slack itself. You can start by opening Slack either through your web browser or the desktop application on your PC. Once you have that open, head over to your profile icon. This is usually located in the top right corner of the Slack interface. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Set Yourself as Active. Now, I want to offer a little note here. Just setting your status to active might not be enough. Slack tends to check your system activity and can mark your status as idle after about 10 to 20 minutes of inactivity. So, if you really want to maintain that active indicator, we need to make a couple of adjustments. Next, we're going to tweak your Windows power settings, as Slack uses these settings to determine whether you're actually active. To start, press the Windows key on your keyboard, or you can click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type in Edit Power Plan and click on the corresponding option that appears in the search results. Once you're in the Power Plan window, you should see a setting labeled Turn Off the Display. This is where we can make a critical change. Right now, it likely has a time limit set, maybe 20 minutes or so. We want to change that time limit to never. By doing this, you prevent your computer screen from turning off or going to sleep, which means your Slack status will continue to reflect that you're active, even when you step away. After you've made that change, make sure to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the window. This is an important step, as it ensures that the new settings are in effect. Now, just to recap. First, you opened Slack and set your profile to active. Then, you adjusted your Windows power settings to never turn off the display. With these settings changed, your Slack status should now stay active, giving off the impression that you're working hard and available for communication. Now, keep in mind, while it might be tempting to always look busy, genuine communication with your team is essential. Use this tip wisely and try to balance it with real engagement when possible. And there you have it. You're all set to appear active on Slack, regardless of whether you're in front of your computer or taking a little break. If you found this information helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more tips